Lilian and I are to Miami, and we rope dropped. We rope dropped KFC. I think we were the first guests, right?
We were. I know what this is. What is this?
She doesn't know what a biscuit is.
A biscuit is like a cookie. That's what this is.
Oh, whatever. She's like, is it like a muffin? I'm like, no. This is not a muffin. I'm gonna record your reaction. You gotta try it. You better try it. Try it.
You can have it.
I'll have it. You have to try it.
No.
You have to try it. Mm-hmm. It's America. You gotta try it.
No.
Would you like to take this?
Hey! Hello! So, we are lost? We're not lost, but like we're heading like the right direction.
Yeah.
But just with no direction. We're heading the right direction, but no direction on like where we're going.
We're going south, which is where we need to go. But
no GPS. We're just winging it.
pretty much.
Get this.
Pretty much. Full view, all of the landscape. It's gorgeous.
Our driver's doing a good job though. Great job.
What song do you feel, Lilian? Tired and confused too?
No, I'm feeling like Lion King. And she was tired.
I am. I got my double shot. Pew pew.
She's got that. I got chocolate. That's all we need. When we're lost and confused, that is all you need. Chocolate and double mocha guarana.
Okay. So, we were talking about like different things, like what New Zealanders call different things. What do you call like the pepper that's orange and red and green and like it's big?
Capsicum.
That's a bell pepper.
That's a capsicum.
It's a bell pepper.
Look at this chick. She thinks she's smarter than me. That is a
They
capsicum.
use the scientific name of a bell pepper. What is this?
It's a capsicum.
It's a little past 5 o'clock and we finally made it. Oh my gosh, I'm so tired. So, I'm really impressed with myself. What is this? Are we at a hotel? It's so cute. We're here! Yes. Yes. I feel that on a personal level. We made it. But look at how cute. Lilian, you know what this means? What? We're toothbrush friends. Hi. After driving for 7 hours, what else would you like to have but Haitian and Jamaican food? Apparently the dude is Haitian and his wife is Jamaican, so they have their own little restaurant. And I got a passion fruit key lime pie, which I googled, and apparently key lime pie is an American thing, so she's never had key lime pie. She'd never even heard of it. So, yeah. We're back at the house watching a Median movie, and this is our Haitian Jamaican food. I think Lily and I both got jerk chicken. It comes with some salad and then a plantain and then jerk chicken, and then I got a passion fruit key lime pie, and I'm so excited. Look it, you're jealous, I know it. It smells so good. Morning.
Part of it. Part of the experience.
It's like 10:30, right?
I think so.
We got up. We're like, we're gonna have a great day. It's gonna be awesome. And Lillian's phone doesn't have data. So we were gonna use my phone for data, but my little hotspotty thing that allows her to use mine isn't working. So we're waiting for Sprint, and we don't want to be driving, and we don't want it to be loud. So we're just gonna hit up a mall. We're just going to a mall. It'll be an adventure in its own way. We're just waiting for her to call. So we were driving for like an hour, right? Like an hour? Waiting to figure out how my hotspot works. And we still haven't gotten a call from the lady they said would call me the third time. But it's cool. We're just exploring. And we made our way to Deering Estate, which I've Googled, but I don't really know what it is. Apparently it has manatees and stuff. So, has like field trippers. Yeah, we don't know where we are,
That's okay.
but it's fine. Yeah. So we're in. Apparently it has 2 fancy houses. And then a really pretty, like, bayside. Wow! That's beautiful. And look at that other one. One with all the stone. Oh no, is that like the same house? It just has a little thing. I think Lily and I are both gonna move here. Look at that.
Grace, I'll help the other.
I'll have this one.
No, okay, you have this one.
I'll have that one. Okay.
that one.
No, I want that one.
Grace.
That one's my house. It's my house. These stairs. They're like oceany.
Are we starting with this house, Grace?
Yeah, I mean we're here. Okay, we're gonna go to the wine cellar. Oh, it's in a vault and stuff. Oh, it smells so moldy. Oh, so it was. So they kind of redid it.
Did you care for wine, Grace?
Oh, yes. Oh, thank you. This is my house. No, I want this house. Can I own this house? This is gorgeous. Oh, my word. Don't break my door. Welcome to my office. Wow, it's gorgeous. Look at this chair. So big.
This is the Bible.
Don Quixote.
The Arabic Night Entertainment.
This is amazing. Look at that chandelier. Can I have his interior decorator, please? I have a 3-story house. Look at that. Oh, it does! This is my house! This is my home! Look at it. And this is where I do all of my speeches. Sing all of my important songs. This is the older me's bedroom.
This is beautiful, lovely, so beautiful.
It's gorgeous. What is this? And we are currently entering the room that I allow Lilian to stay in whenever she comes visits my house.
I have a fancy bathroom and a fancy room with a chandelier.
Yes. You're welcome. Look at. These are gorgeous. It's amazing. It's your house. It's really cute though. Lilian doesn't get a wine cellar, but she gets really cool stairs that she almost trips over. You've got a really modern house. This would be your house.
I know.
I could totally see you in this dress. It's like, want some pears? You need a picture in your foyer or in your dining room. We have to go and take pictures. This is so cute. I can totally imagine you living in this house. Oh my goodness. And it smells nice. Like cinnamon.
So much food.
Oh my word.
So much food.
You
This is
do.
my house at 4 meals though.
Oh, this is her house. And it smells so good. Look at all of her food. You are so great at baking, Lily. I had no clue. That's beautiful, but that's weird that you just have eggs and butter out with a whisk. That's a weird situation. Is this my room?
Yes.
This is probably my room. I gave you the cutest room. And I got a stained bed.
You get a bathroom, so it's okay.
I do. And I get some cool boots. Some plaid curtains. Pretty cool sink. I'm okay with this. Look, it's a cute little nursery.
Oh my god.
Peter Pan. It's like Peter Pan. You always have such a statement dress. Like your dress is always like fashion.
It's my favorite color.
It is your favorite color.
Works out so well.
This is her home. This is all of your perfume of the Olympia fragrance. That's it. I want to live here now. Look at this. Look at this. There's like no end in sight. You can't see the other side. It's amazing. And the lady said that you can see manatees sometimes whenever it's warm. I think I saw one actually. Right after I said that, I think I saw. Yeah! Let's go, let's go. It's hanging out. Look at him. I think it's 2. It might be 2. That's so cool. Oh no, it's more than 2. It's like a whole herd, dude. Oh my gosh. It's huge. So our map said that there was a cool Chinese bridge. I see it. I see the cool Chinese bridge. Just now. Just now. It's aight. It's not even cool, it's aight. But look how this is what we've dealt with. We're gonna finally get to the cool Chinese bridge.
I'm very off topic.
Brandon, this is for you. And Hazel and Carmen and Sam and Derek.
And
Here we go.
And Vivian.
Yeah. All our friends. We made it. See? It's a night. Chinese bridge. Ooh, I love the water. Look at that. That's beautiful. Sure.
Yeah.
We're gonna drop some good like pennies.
Take the whole thing.
A whole handful?
Yeah.
What are we gonna do?
Just wish for good luck if the Brendan comes back and visits us.
Aww. And Hazel and Carmen. All of our friends. Ready?
Ready?
3, 2, 1. Yay! That's for you guys. At this Chinese bridge, I heard that a New Zealander named Lilian fell to her death, went into the rocks to retrieve her pennies.
And now she.
I've heard it's just a scary ghost tale. I don't think I'll. Oh no! It's the ghost! So somehow, I figured out kind of that my hotspot worked again. I don't know. But right now we're in a shopping center, and I have the hiccups. There's a Chinese restaurant, there's like a Spanish bakery, there's a creperie, there's a Middle Eastern shop that we went into. And then there's like a Brazilian like food truck. And neither of us are hungry. We ate at like 8, 9, right?
Yeah.
Like 9. Can we just be hungry so we can eat stuff? This is amazing. Look at it. Mexican ice cream. How is it?
So good.
It's so good. I got almond and pistachio and this like chocolate cake thingy. What did you get? You don't know. And we both got juice. I got passion fruit juice and you got something. She doesn't know. She's just eating it. Whatever.
What's so pretty, Grace?
These trees are beautiful. Why?
Look at these. Because how are they not? Like, look at, they're like trees and then they've got like vines attached to them. It's like a whole family of trees in one tree. Isn't it so? It's like, son of man back to the sky. It's like Tarzan.
Let's play Tarzan.
Beautiful. What is this?
It's a mansion.
You know what's so funny? We came on this road yesterday to go to that fancy house, and we're going back on this road.
This is not the road that we came in.
I mean, the old,
Our road stopped.
Cutler.
Yeah,
But
stopped
like,
ages ago though.
look how gorgeous this place is. Orlando, take notes, please. It's beautiful.
Ice cream. After how long? Like an hour of driving around Miami, we got to a beach. We're finally going to a beach with my $1 flip-flops and her $10 flip-flops from Walmart. Sponsor.
Yo.
Wow! There's like nothing else but water and sand. This is so Florida. So Miami. It's so clear and beautiful. Wow, it's beautiful. It's fishing. I'm expecting you to fall into the water and get soaked. We didn't bring any towels. We literally brought nothing that could help us. You see that line where the sky meets the sea?
I do.
I have a feeling it's like calling me or something. Do you know how far it goes? I don't think anybody knows how far it goes.
But it's calling you.
It is calling me. Hello? Hello? While I was digging a super deep dungeon and she was building a castle, she found a treasure. It's Chilean money? Is that right? Isn't it so crazy? What even? It's 1,000. She's rich. Oh my word.
Let's go shopping.
Let's go. We're at a friend's favorite restaurant. I got a thing. Your casserole. She didn't know what a casserole was.
I didn't.
So we just went to Cuban food, and I was thinking we haven't had any American food besides kind of our Starbucks for breakfast. We had Jamaican and Haitian, then we had Chinese, our Starbucks, and just now we had our Cuban food. So Lilian, what was your favorite, or what was the highlight of your trip?
Oh my gosh, the beach
That was fun.
and the Jamaican food.
The Jamaican, that was cool. That was cool. I love how they're both from different, like the husband and the wife are from 2 different parts of the world, and they're just like, let's just make food, and they do it, and they're just like, I don't know, it's cool. Oh, I think my favorite highlight, I think it was yesterday with the estate.
Oh,
Because that was just like spontaneous, what are we doing? Just so chill. Like usually trips like are super stressful. That was a lot of fun. And then today, minus the traffic, Miami Beach was beautiful.
Oh my god.
That water.
They were beautiful.
Oh my word, it was beautiful.
I just get blacker and blacker. Grace
Oh,
gets
man.
burned. I just get blacker and blacker.
Look at me. I don't even know. Let me lift up my sleeve to show you how vampire-y I am. This is... Look at that. I'm going to work tomorrow like that. Anyway.